Good morning, guys. Good morning, family. How are you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, I am Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you're interested, you should go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you're notified every time I make a video. So guys, it is currently, I think, about nearly 7 o'clock. It's sometime after 6, that's all I know. I'm currently ready for work and I'm about to go find something for breakfast because I did not eat. I made lunch, but I did not find anything for breakfast. I'm gonna find something for breakfast. So today we have a function going on today, so I wanted to like start the vlog from now so you guys know what's happening. And then later we will be at that function. I'll be the DJ, so probably you guys will not hear like what's going on for some parts, you know, because copyright. So we will be engaged in that, and then I want to do a weekend vlog, so I will do another vlog starting tomorrow. It's not gonna necessarily be like a weekend vlog because it's gonna be, well, kind of weekend. It's gonna start on Saturday and then Sunday, and then yeah, so a little, probably a Saturday vlog or a weekend vlog I will do tomorrow. So yes, today we're just gonna go to work. I might vlog at work, I'm not sure. If I do, I'll show you guys like just a few clips of work. I've been wanting to do like a week in my life at work. I'll probably try and do that next week. Probably not, because we're having some visitors at school. I don't know. Or probably the other week, maybe. I'm trying to get back into the vlogging game, trying to get back into posting. I want to do a video to explain like all of that, but you know, this is not the video for it. You guys did not come to hear that. We are here to vlog. So I missed you guys. Let's just get on with today. I'm gonna be posting a video today, I think. Yeah, so by the time you see this, you'll have probably seen that video. All right guys, I'll see you in the rest of the vlog. Hi mommy, say hi to the vlog. It's been a while. Guys, so it's Friday evening, as you guys can see. Church was nice. Shout out to our decorators, Miss Bryce, and I'm not sure who else did it, but me know Miss Bryce did there. So I'm gonna set up the music and then I'm gonna set up. I bought the, what kind of something here? Then after I have my seat, yeah, so. Alright, so I guess this is where I'm gonna be, but I'm gonna need a seat right here or some. I don't open some, that's when I'm gonna go. So yes guys, I'm gonna set up. My hair looks weird. I need to get like the remotes. Stuff. Alright guys, so I'm gonna get the things set up. It's something interesting when I'm setting up the carry the ring light so they can use it at the booth over there. So I'm gonna show you guys that when I'm setting it up. Hi guys, not me opening the blinds like it's morning. It's actually 1:30. I'm not just waking up. I woke up like quite some time ago. But we've been tired, lazily going around. So I am gonna actually clean the kitchen now. We're actually cleaning up because remember I started a vlog yesterday and told you guys like I was actually gonna vlog yesterday. I didn't vlog much, so what you guys saw was what I vlogged. So we are gonna clean up right now. So it's cleaning up after an event, and I just wanted to grab the vlog and get things going. We're cleaning up after an event. Shanakay's washing.
Yes, if you never get to come here, miss something, but tell them to come out there.
I have vlogged in a while, so they wouldn't know to come.
Shame on you, that's how we make. That's why you make people enjoy the chicken and nice something what we cook.
I'm sorry. Anyways, we're gonna clean up. So let go set you guys up so y'all can see. It's quite a mess, guys. Quite a mess. Lots of cooking. It's a lot of stuff. Well, it's not that much. It's mostly like these that we cooked in, like baked in and all of that. So I'm watching vlogs at me, and the cleaning is still, the construction is still going on over there. Not sure, no, I didn't ever show you guys that. So they're fixing the tank, room and bathroom. So that's so yes, that's happening in there. So right now I'm just gonna pack out what's here so I can wash and put them there and just clean it, because the kitchen was even clean before. The kitchen was clean before. It was clean before, but the knocking. But you know, after an event, you're gonna have things that weren't washed. And last night we were just tired, we're beat, so we went to bed, and we're gonna clean up all the other things right now. Yeah. The Ajax. Yeah. Coming. Alright guys, so let me set you guys up and then we're gonna start cleaning. After I clear out my place, I look the lens. This girl just come in, come put in fear things in my place. What the audacity? Why is the camera looking like this though?
Mommy, a big apple at 10 minutes.
Alright, there we go. For some reason, guys, every time I use this to vlog, it's like really. I don't know if it's good anymore, but yeah. The abuse. Abusive much. Alright guys, update. We have finished pretty much most of the dishes. She's saying hi. I think most of what we have to do is just to tidy the counter.
Okay, and nice little thing to put these in for me.
What am I supposed to put it in?
I don't know, I might use them to make juice tomorrow. Them are broke, spoiled, fast. You can eat them fast, that will do.
Can it go in this?
Yeah. Wash them first.
Not me choking.
I want ice cream, you know.
So we got some apples, guys. So I'm gonna wash these and put them in the container. My sister wants them to go in, which is this thing here. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the kitchen in a few, like where we are at. It is pretty good. This one something that
Oh, that's your cloth, right?
yes, thanks.
Okay, the empty of lunch kit.
Yes, it's just for me to put in back me. Me put in back me fork. It's a drain out for me. I can throw it up. I can throw it up. Right. Mother, your daughter say you can hear what she say. Alright, so we're almost done. I'm excited to finish. I'm sorry. I'ma still have my room, like my room needs to do. I don't think it'll be in this vlog though. I think I might start another vlog. I don't know. Like, I think this vlog is gonna be long enough already, so I can just end it there. But yes, yeah. All right, so these are the apples. It's a pity I don't even know if it might reach like Monday or so, because they're actually already kind of, you know, softened. So we might have to either use them to make drink or eat them off. So yes, so this is the situation so far. As I said, most of the plates are done. Shanik left pots, so I'm gonna have to go around and see like what pot is there to wash. I need to empty this one over here. Pretty neat, pretty cool. Just throw away. I don't think Shanik even knows this is there. This is somebody's thing. These need to be relocated. Alright, so that's that. I'm gonna put my fork back in my bag and then put it up, because we keep them up there so it's like off the counter. So yes, this is my business sweets. I also want to keep it, I don't want it right there, but it's gonna have to stay there right now. Like, it can stay there, right? Yeah, it can stay there. Alright, so this is rubbish. This needs to be thrown away. I'm gonna put the fork in and put it up, and then we're gonna see what is on the stove that needs to be washed, and then clean off the table and the counters, and then sweep the floor and tidy underneath the table, and then we'll be done. La da da. Bye. Alright guys, so the kitchen, all the things are washed. Those have things in it, that's why they're not washed. Everything is washed, and the counter is clean, the table is clean. The only thing that needs to be done is the floor. So I'm gonna like remove these things and get the floor swept, and then we are gonna want afterwards. So Alright guys, everything is clean. The only thing is left is for us to wipe because I just swept. So I just want to end the vlog first. Let me just show you guys how cleaner the kitchen is after all those time. So yeah. So yes guys, just ending the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed my little fun night and my little cleaning kind of vlog. So yes, I'm actually gonna start a new vlog after I end this vlog because this vlog I think is long enough and I don't want to bore you guys. So I'll catch you guys on another vlog in another time, another space and whatever. So yes guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, turn that red button into a gray button, click the bell so you're notified every time I make a video. Comment something down below and give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.